various qualities of water that are therapeutic to the human body are those waters which are created in most natural environments, such as spring water, mountain stream water. And the reasons why is because of the intrinsic charge that builds up that nature induces through various forms. Flow, there's the geomagnetic field of the earth, and you have your cosmic influences as well from sun, moon, and further afield. These are all imparted into water through its flow, and we've all noticed how water flows. It doesn't like flowing in a straight line. It likes to move in a more like a snake-like fashion. And this is mainly due to the geomagnetic influences, which are counter in relation to the Earth's rotation. The flow is at right angles to that flow. So without this built-up charge, water would actually become quite dead and absolutely useless to life itself. One process that is imparted into water is the electrical charge, which we call ionization. This adds energy to the water. And the electrical charge is built up by minerals which are dissolved in the water initially, and these charges are built up just like little torch batteries. Now, how does that affect the human body? Well, when we take water into the body, either by drinking it, these little microscopic charges are then transferred into the cells, and thus recharges various organs and keeps us in the state of the alive feeling that we all love to have. The other way is to impart it into the body artificially. And the way we do that is by polarizing water with two charges, positive and negative. Now, if we incorporate this simple mechanism, positive and negative charge, into a bath, for example, we can then cause a ionization of the water, thereby causing a minute splitting of the hydrogen and oxygen, releasing ions of oxygen and hydrogen. Now, by doing that, the human body will absorb high quantities of oxygen into the bloodstream, which has a tremendous effect on the properties in the blood, oxidizing impurities and also adding the life charge to the bioenergetic system. The hydrogen ions also have an effect on the cells, and the hydrogen ions relate to the body's pH, and also, as I said before, what we call hydroxyl ions. And the hydrogen actually has a higher role to play in maintaining the life force within the cells, and maintains the electron transport mechanism at the cell wall, and thereby maintaining the quality of water within the cell itself, so that the cell actually breathes. Now, it was once said that if we could maintain the purity of water within the cell would actually live forever, and I think that's been done at a laboratory level. The name Linus Pauling comes to mind there, for those of you who'd like to research that further.